This is the newest feature in MidJourney, and it is simply zooming out. But check how cool this is. Zoomed out once, twice, 3 times. Let's go through the whole process right here. It's really quick, so you can literally just type in whatever you want. So I just typed in Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg fighting an intense boxing match. And screw it, by the time they fight, Elon Musk will probably be a robot anyway. So whenever you get your image, all you do if you hit zoom out 2x, and so it zoomed out. And now it gives you 4 options to zoom out. Let's select the first one, and then you wait for it to upscale. And we're going to press the same thing. Zoom out 2x. And there we go. We have more options. Let's use this bottom right one. Whoa. On this last zoom, it almost turned it into like this weird thumbnail. Watch this. So we first started with this image here. Zoomed out again. This is where it starts to get weird. I've noticed it with other examples on the internet that it gets weird around the 4th one. And then now it adds another Elon and Mark.